What is up, YouTube? Johnny B here again today, and I'm bringing you a short video on the Daily. This is the wife's car. We're gonna be doing a little bit of an upgrade. She's been wanting this for a while, and I finally got her a little gift, and it's gonna be a blow-off valve. But I didn't go with a full $300, $350 blow-off valve because I did my research, looked around, noticed and heard, and people that had dyno tested it, that the stock bypass valve does actually not leak any boost, so there's no downfall to keeping it. You still make all the same power, you still make the same boost. So I did research, watched a couple videos, saw which one made the loudest noise, because if I'm gonna do it, I want it to actually be kind of loud. So I found the solution, and that is Torque Solutions little blow-off adapter. So with that, all it's gonna be doing is gonna be, instead of recirculating the blow-off, it's gonna set it off to atmosphere. And I did my research. It seems that nothing really happens to it. It's the Daily, it's pushing stock power, it's gonna be making a little bit of noise. They say maybe in the long run it'll affect it. It might have a little bit of like pops and bangs and stuff like that, but I think all I really care about is this, and so does the wife. She likes it that my race car does it, the FRS. So I want to get the same thing for her. That's why I bought her this Turbo Civic in the first place. So let's go ahead and install this simple 3-bolt piece. So here is the car. You guys have seen it before. Got that Type R lip. It's got little spacers to make sure the wheels are sticking out. It's got OEM Type R headlights. They already came like that from factory. And also I did the K&N filter upgrade, and all that is needed is those 3 bolts right there with the little pink on them. You literally take those out, you put this in between with the new bolts, and then you're done. That's just how simple this is. It's a quick, easy job. This is only 70 bucks. They sell cheaper ones, but I wanted to go with an actual brand one that I know that was actually loud. They sell like imitations of it, but I didn't know how they sounded, so I wanted to go with a legit one, even if it was a couple more bucks. So let's go ahead and take off those 3 8mm bolts. So we're gonna get this piece to line up, this hole right here. It's gonna line up with the factory one that's in here. So it's gonna leave the opening pointing this way. I'm just gonna line that up. Gonna make sure that the bladder of the diverter is in place. Line that up. So it has its own rubber seal. And then now we just gotta line up the new hardware that comes with it, which is really nice. Zinc plated bolts that are a little bit longer to accommodate for the spacer that we're going to be putting on. Just get them to line up. We're going to put them in all by hand. It's going to be a little hard to line it up. As you can see, I'm struggling, and I've actually done this before on another Civic. So a little trick I like to use is I actually like to put the socket on the piece or on the bolt to get a little bit better leverage. So there it is, installed. These are 10mm bolts that came with the Torque Solutions kit. Tighten them all down by hand. Made sure as soon as it stopped, don't go any further, because you can mess it up, because it's literally like studs in plastic. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. Hope this helps you decide, what type of blow-off valve you want to go with. If you want to go with something expensive, or if you want to go with something cheap like this. It worked great. It sounds good. It's not messing with any of the performance stuff, and it sounds just as good as the expensive $300 ones for a fraction of the price. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You have a great day.